Want to add audio to your music, voice record, or create your own custom track on TikTok? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload your own song on TikTok. Now, to upload it, what you do now is to select the video you want to add a track on here, like this, select it. Now, what you do now is to click on next here. After selecting it, to upload your own song, what you do now is to slide down here, click on voice record here. You can see voice, click on it. Now it will bring you here. Now what you do now is here to click on record here. Make sure you set up your screen record to play device song. Now after setting it, now what you do now is to go to your music player here, select the music you want to use. Now here, click on the music, play the music. Now pause it. Now go back to TikTok. Now here what you do now is to play the music you set on your music player like this. Play it. Now come down here and click on this voice record. Now here, after letting it to read the end of your record, now click on done. Now here what you do now is to save it like this by clicking on this save here. You can click on next. Now here, write everything you want to write and then upload it. So that's how to upload your own song on TikTok. Here you can see, and then click on post if you want to post it, and click on post. Now as you can see, it have completed uploading. Now let's play it and know if the song is playing on the background. Here, our own song or your own song. Now let's play it. You can see the song is playing on the background. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.